Welcome to Tech Trends Unraveled, where we cut through the noise and get to the signal. I'm Cass Rivera, your tech analyst with a penchant for historical patterns and long-term impact.
And I'm Jax Monroe, the SEO rebel who's been dodging algo slaps since MySpace was a thing. We're diving into Google's 2025 AI drops, Gemini 2.5, AI mode in search, and all the chaos that's got the internet buzzing like a TikTok trend gone wrong.
Let's ground this in context. Google's I/O 2025, held on May 21, introduced Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash, multimodal models with advanced text-to-speech in over 24 languages. This feels like a natural evolution from their 2023 Gemini 1.0 push, where they first leaned hard into multimodal AI. Jax, you've been loud on X about this. What's the vibe out there?
Yo, Kaz, the vibe is wild. X is a dumpster fire of SEOs crying about traffic drops, devs hyping up Gemini's coding chops, and regular folks just confused why their Google search now feels like chatting with a know-it-all bot. AI mode's got people split. Half love the visual search, half say it's burying organic results deeper than a 2010 blog post. It's like Google's saying, forget clicking, just let our AI spoon-feed you answers.
That's an interesting point. AI mode, rolled out in the US, builds on Google's long-standing goal of reducing friction in search. If we look back to the 2018 BERT update, it was about understanding intent. Now, with Gemini 3 powering AI mode, they're not just understanding queries, they're predicting and curating entire user journeys. But Jax, you mentioned traffic drops. Are we seeing a repeat of the 2024 core updates here?
Oh, it's worse, Cass. The March 2025 core update already shook things up, and now AI mode's like, hold my coffee. My niche sites are bleeding traffic because Google's shoving AI-generated summaries above my content. It's like Panda 2011 and RankBrain had a baby, and that baby hates my SERP rankings. X threads are full of people saying their clicks are down 30–40%. Google's official line, it's about user experience. Yeah, right. Tell that to my ad revenue.
Let's unpack that. Google's always balanced user experience with ecosystem control. The March 2025 core update, which ran from March 13 to 27, aimed to prioritize high-quality content. Much like the 2018 MEDIC update targeted EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. AI mode's deep search feature, still in labs, suggests they're doubling down on curating trustworthy sources. But your point about zero-click searches is valid. If users get answers without clicking, it disrupts the traditional SEO model.
Disrupt? It's a frickin' apocalypse for small sites. Look, I get it. Gemini 2.5's dope. It's doing text-to-speech, switching languages like it's flexing at a UN conference. But when AI mode's answering questions with a fancy video or a curated snippet, my blog on best hiking boots is page 2, crying in the corner. And don't get me started on Jules, that GitHub AI agent. Devs on X are calling it a game changer, but I'm like, cool, now Google's writing my code and stealing my traffic.
Jules is intriguing. It's a beta AI agent for GitHub, offering audio overviews of code-based changes. It's a clear play to integrate Gemini into developer workflows, much like Google's Firebase AI logic release for app developers. These tools lower the barrier for AI adoption, which aligns with their open-source Gemma 3 model for on-device applications. Historically, Google's strength has been democratizing tech. Think TensorFlow in 2015. This feels like a continuation.
Sure, but democratizing tech doesn't pay my bills when Google's AI is hogging the spotlight. And let's talk FireSet. AI spotting wildfires from space? That's cool, I guess. But X is buzzing with folks saying Google's just flexing to distract from the monopoly vibes. Like, look, we're saving the planet while my site's analytics look like a flat line. What's the long game here, Kaz?
The long game is ecosystem dominance. Google's integrating AI across search, cloud, maps, and even satellites like FireSat, which uses Gemini to detect 5 by 5 meter wildfires. It's not just about search anymore. It's about owning the data pipeline. Look at their AI Edge portal for on-device ML testing, or the SpeciesNet project for animal identification. These are strategic moves to embed AI everywhere, much like how Android became the default OS for billions. The 2025 releases are less about individual products and more about a cohesive AI-driven infrastructure.
Infrastructure, schminfrastructure, all I know is my SEO hacks are toast. I'm out here trying to game AI mode with hyper-optimized images, but it's like wrestling a bot that's already read the rulebook. Folks are saying to lean into video content or beg for a featured snippet. Any hot takes on surviving this AI apocalypse, Professor Core?
Survival requires adaptation. If we analyze past trends, say the 2012 Penguin update, those who thrived pivoted to quality over tricks. For AI mode, focus on hyper-specific, high EEA content that answers niche queries Google summaries can't fully cover. Think long-tail, authoritative content. And yeah, video's a smart play. Gemini's multimodal strength means visual content is prioritized. But don't expect loopholes to last. Google's algorithms have always outpaced hacks.
Oh, you're killing my vibe with all this quality talk. I'm gonna go cry on X and see if I can meme my way back to page 1. But real talk, listeners, hit us up with your thoughts. Has AI mode tanked your traffic? Or are you loving Gemini's new tricks? Drop a comment or slide into our DMs.
Indeed. And for those looking to dive deeper, check Google's AI Edge portal or the I/O 2025 Keynote for technical details. This is a pivotal moment, folks, not unlike the mobile-first indexing shift of 2016. Adapt or get left behind.
All right, that's a wrap. Catch you next time when we'll probably be ranting about Google's next algo curveball. Peace out.
Stay analytical, everyone. Until next time.